Hi, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to edit photos in blue vintage effect using Lightroom Mobile. Here are some before and after sample pictures using this filter. Now, let's start editing. First, go to Light. Increase the exposure to about plus 0.20. Contrast to about plus 50. Bring down the highlights to -100. Increase the shadows to about plus 25. Bring the whites down to -30. And bring up the blacks to plus 30. Now go to Curve and follow these steps. And if you want to download the preset for free, check the instructions in the description. Then go to Blue Curve and follow these steps. And done. Now go to Color. Increase the temperature to about plus 10. Tint to about plus 20. Decrease the vibrance to about -35. and bring up the saturation to about +35. Now go to Mix. Bring down the saturation to -45 for red. Increase the luminance to about +10. Go to orange. Decrease the hue to about -20. Saturation to about -26. Increase the luminance to about +20. Go to yellow. Decrease the hue to about -26. Saturation to about -35. Go to green. Decrease the hue to about -10. Saturation to about -60. Bring up the luminance to +20. Go to aqua. Decrease the hue to about -30. Saturation to about -34. Go to blue. Decrease the hue to about -30. Saturation to about -35. Go to purple. Decrease the hue to about -20. Saturation to about -16. And finally magenta. Bring down saturation to about -60. And done. Now go to Effect. Increase the texture to about +10. Clarity to about +20. Dehaze to about +10. Decrease the vignette to about -20. Bring down midpoint all the way up to 0. And increase the feather up to +100. Increase the grains to about 10. Now go to split tone. Increase the hue to 360 and saturation to about 5 for shadows. And done. Then go to Details. Increase the sharpening to about 10. Masking to about 5. Noise reduction to about 10. Contrast to about 5. And color noise reduction to about 5. And finish. Let's apply this preset to other photos. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel for supporting me. Thanks for watching, and check out these cool presets.